Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update firmware on a Crucial SSD with Storage Executive easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have the latest version of the Storage Executive tool installed on your computer. Visit the Crucial website to download Storage Executive if you don't have it yet. Once downloaded, open the Storage Executive tool by double-clicking the application icon. You may be prompted to allow the application to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. The main interface will display all connected Crucial SSDs. Select the SSD you wish to update from the list. Look for the Firmware Updates section on the left-hand side of the screen. Storage Executive will automatically check for any available firmware updates for your selected SSD. If an update is available, a notification will appear indicating the new firmware version. Before proceeding with the update, ensure you back up any important data on the SSD. Click on the Update button to start the firmware update process. A confirmation dialog will appear. Read through the information carefully and click OK to continue. The update process may take a few minutes. Do not turn off your computer during this time. Once the update is complete, a message will indicate that the SSD has been successfully updated. You can now close the Storage Executive tool. Restart your computer to ensure the firmware update is full. After rebooting, you may return to Storage Executive to verify the firmware version of the SSD. Your Crucial SSD is now updated to the latest firmware version, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.